So hello everyone, again this is Ricky. So let me share this asset management interactive dashboard to simplify the monitoring process for the asset in the organization. So let's go and click this asset management dashboard, and then the form will display on your screen, this one. So the form has asset, fuel consumption, and mileage monitoring, this one. So for example, I want to modify the total percentage of vehicles with no GPS. Let's say, for example, this excavators has a new GPS. This one, and click save. So the percentage is decreased, right? Then let's say, for example, let's provide graders with a new GPS. This one, yes. Then click save. So the percentage decrease. So for the mileage and fuel consumptions, all you need is click this information and the form will display on your screen right away. So thank you everyone. I hope you enjoy watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel.